Okay, guys, so we are going to first learn how to create sculptures using things that are around the house. Now, this is really cool because you don't really need to get any fancy materials or anything from that. We're actually going to be using toilet paper rolls, empty toilet paper rolls, which we should all have plenty of because of the whole toilet paper hoarding situation. So these are inspired by a French artist whose name is Junior Fritz Jacquet, and this is him. He was born in Haiti and actually discovered origami at the age of 15 in just a book in a library, which he got really excited about it. He makes these beautiful paper sculptures. Origami, if you aren't already familiar with it, is the Japanese art of paper folding, and the special thing about it is that it doesn't involve any gluing or cutting. It's just the paper. You don't need any other materials for that. He mostly just uses white paper, craft paper, which is that thick brown paper that you may have used at some point to wrap textbooks in if you went to high school in the 1990s, or he uses rolls of cardboard, which is what we're going to be looking at. He's become really well known for these whimsical toilet paper roll faces. They're really fun. They make all kinds of different funny expressions, and these are just made out of rolls from toilet paper. So let's get started, and we are going to learn how to make some of these.